Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your auto rain sensing wipers in the all-new 2023 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium all-wheel drive in steel gray with carmine red interior. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the wiper arm is located on the right side of the steering column here, and anytime we go to make an adjustment, it will show up in the instrument panel in the middle there to let us know what position we're putting in. So right now I'm going to leave it in the auto position. So now, once there's enough precipitation on the outside of the windshield, the wipers will just go ahead and clear the front windshield for you. You can also adjust kind of how aggressive you want that system to be, if you want it to clear a little faster or not. And also, because it's automatic, it will adjust the speed of the wipe depending on how much precipitation there is, but also with how fast the vehicle is moving while you're driving as well. So you just don't have to worry about when it's going to go ahead and just clear the windshield for you. It's going to be on top of it. You can also move it into the low for a consistent speed. Or high setting, and then of course you don't want it to go automatically. You just make sure it goes back into the off position, and that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.